Morning children, welcome back to maths class. So today we will continue the same chapter, that is ways to multiply and divide. In the previous video we have started about we discussed this question from workbook. These all we have already discussed, and we discussed some of the numericals from the book also. These questions we have already discussed, and this also we have done. All the part of this we have done, and today we will discuss page number in your book, in your NCERT books. It is page number 177. Page number 177, that is practice time. So today we'll discuss this. It is first question is, Sukhi work on a farm. He paid rupees 95 for one day. Means Sukhi is a worker in a farm and she is paid, and he is paid 95 in one day. Means for one day he is getting 95 rupees, and if he works for 52 days, he is working for how many days? 52 days. So how much he will get? So what we have to do in this case, as I have already told you, that if you are given for one day and you have to find for more days, in that case you will multiply. So what we will do, we will multiply 52 by 98 and will get the answer 5096. Means in 52 days he will get 5096. He will earn 5096 rupees in 52 days. Let's move to the next question. Next question is, Haria took a loan to build his house. He has to pay back 750 every month for 2 years. How much will he pay back in 2 years? Means Haria took a loan to build his house. Now he has to pay back rupees 2000. It is wrong, it is misprinting here. It should be 2750. So he pays 2750 every month for 2 months. For 2 months he is paying. Okay, now you have to tell that in 2 years how much he will pay back. Now, as it is said that this is for 1 month, 2750 for 1 month. So for 2 years, now you know in 1 year how many months are there? In 1 year 12 months are there, and in 2 years how many months will be there? 24 months will be there. So we will directly multiply this by 24 and we will get the answer, that is 66,000. So in 2 years he will pay 66,000. Question number 3. Rati Ram is a milk seller in the city. He sells 13 liters of milk every day at 23 per liter. How much does he earn? You have to tell that if the cost of 1 liter milk is 13, if the cost of 1 liter milk is 13 and he sells 23 liter every day, he sells 23 liters of milk every day, then how much he will earn? So what we will do, we will multiply 23 and 13 and we will get the answer 299. Means in one day he earns 299 rupees. Now let's move. A farmer sells 1 liter of milk for rupees 11. A farmer is there and who sells a milk for rupees 11. Means cost of 1 liter milk is how much? 11 rupees. And he sells 210 liters of milk. In 1 month he sells 210 liters of milk. So you have to tell how much he earns. You know that cost of 1 liter is 11 rupees. So cost of 210 liters will be 210 multiplied by 11. What is the answer? 2310. So 2310. He earns 2310 in 1 month. So this is the question. And one more question is there. A company sells 1 liter of packed water for rupees 12. Cost of 1 liter packed water is rupees 12, and you have to tell that if the company is selling 240 liters of water, then how much he pays. So as you know, 240 liters we have to find, and cost of 1 liter is rupees 12. So we will multiply these and we'll get the answer 2880. We'll get 2880. Is it clear? So these are the questions from page number 77 of your NCERT books, from your NCERT maths book, page number 177. 177, page number 177. Okay. Now after page number 177, it is 178. This you have to fill yourself. Page number 79 you also have to do yourself. Page number 180 also you have to do yourself. In this practice time, you can see on the top, practice time is there. Try to solve these using a few steps as you can. So you have to divide these questions simply. You don't have to adapt this method. You have to divide these questions simply. Now let's come back to page number 183. Page number 183. These practice time questions are given to you, that 576 books are to be packed in boxes. If one box has 24 books, how many boxes he need? So what you have to do in this question? In this question you can see that 756 are book to be packed, means how many books are we having? We are having 576 books, and these books we have to pack in boxes. If one box has, means if in one box 24 books can come. If in one box 24 books can come, so 576 book will be packed in how many boxes? This you have to find. Now children, in this case you can see these books we are filling here, means we are dividing these books into these boxes. Yes or no? Means in this case what we have to do? We have to do the division. In this case what we will do? We will divide. As we are dividing the books in the boxes, 76 divided by 24, and will get the answer. So you will get 24 as your answer if you will divide 576 by 24. So these questions you have to try. Now first question, in division also, if you have doubt you can see 576 divided by 24. So first of all, as you can see from here, it is 2-digit number here. The divisor is 2-digit number. Now here also we'll take 2-digit. It is 57. Now 24 is smaller than 57. Yes. So 24. How many times is 57? So we'll do 24 multiplied by 2. That is 48. So we'll take 24. 2 times is 48. Subtract it. It will be 9, and that's all. Now 6 will come here. Okay. Now 24. How many times is 96? We can say 24 multiplied by 4 is how much? 96. So 24 is 96. 0. So our answer is 24. So in the first one our answer is 24. Similarly you have to try question about this and this also. In this case also we have to do the division only. So you have to do these questions. These questions you will do in your maths notebook. You have to do. These questions you have to do in your notebook, and the previous questions, these questions also you have to do in your, these questions as we have done, these all questions you will do in your maths notebook. Is it clear? So that's all for this. Now if in maths workbook also you have to try to fill the workbook. because all that is a multiplication only, and you can do that work very easily. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Sai Ram.